Yes? Fine. Okay, Vaishnavi. Good. Yes. What about others? Are you all good children? Fine. Okay. Okay, Nandika. Yes. So, okay. So, let's get started. This is going to be our English class. Okay, children. So, sit right, everyone. Be active. Be cheerful. Yes? Okay. So, we are going to begin this session with a song. Shall we begin the session with a song? Shall we all sing a song, children? Yes? Are you all ready? You are going to sing along with ma'am. Yes? Okay. Yes. Let's get started. Okay. So first mom is going to sing and the next time you are going to repeat. Okay, children? Yes. He for boy. He. You have to observe the words in this song. Okay, children? Yes? Yes. He for boy. He. Now it's your turn. You are going to sing now. Right? He for boy. He. She for girl. She. I for me. I. He, she, I. He, she, I. Shall we sing one more time? Yes? Are you all ready? Okay. He for boy, he. She for girl, she. I for me, I. What do you have to say now? He, she, I. He, she, I. Shall we move on to the next? Right? Yes. Me and you. Repeat after ma'am, children. Me and you. Are you all repeating after ma'am? Yes? Are you all repeating after ma'am, children? I could see many are not opening your mouth. Yes? Me and you. We are friends. We. Me and you. We. Me. You. Be. Me. You. Be. Yes? Shall we move to the next? They are there. They. Repeat after ma'am. They are there. They. We are here. We. We are good friends. We. We are good friends. We. Shall we sing one more time, children? Yes? Shall we sing one more time? Say yes, ma'am. Yes, okay. Yes, sing together now. He for boy, he. She for girl, she for girl. She. I for me, I. He, she, I. He, she, I. Me and you. Me and you. We are friends. We. We are friends. We. Me and you. We. Me, you, be. Me, you, be. They are there. They. We are here. We. We are good friends. We. Yes? Okay, have you all enjoyed this song, children? Yes? Have you all enjoyed this song? Okay. So what is the song about, children? What are the words you observe in this song? Yes? What are the words we observe in this song, children? Very good, Sai. Yes, pronoun. Yes. So today we are going to learn about pronoun, right? So before that, we want to know, isn't it? What is a noun? You all will know about this, isn't it? What are nouns, children? What are nouns? Yes, nouns are naming words, right? I want some examples here. I know all my children know nouns are naming words, right? Now I want examples for naming words. Let me know in the chat box, children. Use some examples for naming words. Use some examples. People, Aryan, good. I want all my children to answer. Animals, good. Place. Use some examples. Name of a place. Shop, okay. What about others? Only few are answering. Mithun, things, okay. Example for things. Tiger, okay. Meenakshi, Mithun, Sai Lakshmi, good. Pen, good. Gopi Krishna, box, yes. TV, television, pencil, school, okay. House, very good, children. Superb, yes. So all these are naming words, right? Yes, very good, children. Yes, good, good. Aryan, good. So far, yes, very good. And what about pronouns? What about pronouns? We added pro before noun, isn't it? What is that? We'll see. Pronouns are words that are used in place of nouns. We have learned already, isn't it? While learning verbs, while learning sentences, we have learned about pronouns, right? We are going to separately learn today, right? So pronouns are words that are used in place of nouns. For example, see here. So we are all going to read this sentence. Okay, children? Yes? Okay. Let's read. Rahul is a kind boy. Rahul is a kind boy. Right? Yes? Rahul does not lie. Rahul does not lie. Rahul likes to run. Rahul likes to run. So whom we are talking about, children? In this sentence, whom we are talking about? What is the sentence? All these sentences about whom we are talking about? Boy. What's the name of the boy? Rahul. Yes, Sai. Yes. We are talking about Vishnavi Sai. Rahul. Proper noun, isn't it? So you have to write the first letter in capital, right? Okay. So Rahul. We are talking about the boy. His name is Rahul, right? So Rahul is a kind boy. Rahul does not lie. Rahul likes to run. We are keep on repeating the same name again and again, right? Instead of that, we can write a simple word. What is that? That is the pronoun, right? Instead of a boy's name, we can use he, right? Rahul is a kind boy. The first time we'll use the name because we want to know the name, no, whom we are talking about. So we are using the name the first time, and the next time we have to use he, right? He does not lie. He likes to run. Right, children? So instead of repeating the name again and again, in this sentence, we are talking about a boy, right? So we have used he. He does not lie. He likes to run. Right, children? So pronoun or words that are used instead of noun, right? So Rahul is a noun. So instead of a boy's name, we have used he, right? Okay, so what are the words we learned in some in the song, children? What are the words you observed in that song? Yes, let me know in the chat box. What are the words you heard? He, she, he, she, it, they. Very good. Yes, we all sung about I, on, I, we, you, he, she, they, and it, right? So all these words are called subject pronouns. Subject pronouns. Repeat after ma'am. Subject pronouns, right? So what is subject? What is subject, children? We have learned in the sentences, right? What is subject? Can you all remember? Can anyone remember that? Subject in the sentence. What is that? Subject means what? Yes? What is subject and predicate? We learned, right? Yes, Sai Lakshmi. Yes. Subject may be a noun or a pronoun. Can you all remember that, children? Yes. A subject may be a noun or a pronoun. Right? Yes. Okay. So so repeat after ma'am. I, we, you, he, she, it, and they are called pronouns, right? Yes. Okay. And let's see here. Yes. So see this boy. Can you all see the boy here? Yes, Krishiv. Good. So is there one boy on the screen or two boys? I. Can you see a boy or two boys? I. Only one boy, isn't it? Isn't it? So is it singular or plural? Is it singular pronoun or plural pronoun? I. Yes? Let me know in the chat box. I'm asking about I. Prishir. I. Only one boy is there, right? Yes, singular. Very good. I is a singular pronoun, right? And what about you? You. See this picture? Can you see a boy pointing a girl? You. Right? You may be a singular. And see here a boy pointing three children over there. Right? So you may be singular and plural. Right, children? Ma'am used to say, you are all very good children. What does it mean? You are all. That means all my children. All the children of D section, E section, and F section children, right? So all are plural, isn't it? Yes? Okay. So you may be singular or plural, right, children? And see here, he. Is it singular or plural pronoun, children? He. Both a boy and girl pointing a boy in between, isn't it? Yes, so he is a singular pronoun. And what about she? A boy and girl pointing a girl in between them, right? So she is also a singular pronoun. And what about it? It may be a thing or an animal or a bird or an insect. Yes, so it's singular pronoun, right? And what about here? They. Is there one child or more than one child on the screen? They. Plural because we have two children, isn't it? Yes? Okay, so they is plural pronoun. So what are the singular pronouns? I, you, he, she, and it. All are singular pronouns. And what about plural? See here, we. We means what? Which include yourself. You have to include yourself in that. We, more than one person, right? So we, you, and they are plural pronouns, right? Let's see a few examples and you can understand. Okay, children? Yes. So now you are going to answer me. Okay. So let's read the sentence. So when we use he, children, when we use he, look into the screen and tell me, Ram is my friend. Ram is my friend. And instead of Ram, what can we write? He. So he is used for a boy or a man, right? Now tell me a few examples for boys. To tell the names of few boys. Yeah, give some examples. For example, Ram is here. Any other example? Gautam. Good. I want name. Rahul. Okay, good. Any other names? Arun. Okay. Puvili. Very good. Binu. Guru. Okay. Mithun. Ryan. Yes. Okay. Suresh. Bala. Nandika is the name of a girl, right? Mom is asking about a boy. Right? Okay. So instead of all the names of boys, we can use he, Aryan. Okay. Very good, children. Yes. Now let's move on to she. Okay. So Priya is a singer. Instead of Priya, what shall we write, children? Instead of Priya, Priya is a girl, isn't it? Priya is the name of a girl, right? So she is used for a girl or woman. So first time you have to use the name so that we can know the name of the child, isn't it? And the second time we will use the pronoun. Right, children? So she is very beautiful. Instead of repeating Priya is beautiful, Priya sings well, instead of repeating the words again and again, we can use she. Nandana, very good. Superb, children. Deepak, he. Okay, good. Yes. For any girl's name, you can use she. Jack, the name of a boy, right? Yes. Okay. And next we move on to it. So when we'll use it, children, see the example here. What is this? It's a name of an animal, isn't it? It's an animal, right? So it is used for animals or things. Can you see one animal? One elephant or more than one elephant, children? It's only one elephant, isn't it? Yes? Are you all agree with that? So for singular noun, we have to use only it. It, right? For singular noun, you have to use only it. So this is an elephant. So there is only one elephant there. So we have used it. It is very strong. So instead of repeating the elephant is very strong, the elephant is good, right? Instead of repeating the names again and again, they have used it. Right, children? Yes? And now, yes, tiger, it, very good. Any other examples for things, children? Animals, birds, book, very good. Yes. Any other example? Any other example? Bag, superb. Yes. For animals, birds, insects. If it is singular, okay, you have to note that. Note that. Photo, very good. Yes. Tree, very good. Eraser, superb. Ant, superb, children. Yes. You all mean only one ant, one stone, one cow, right? Superb. All are giving singular nouns examples. Superb, children. Very good. Yes. So for all the singular nouns, we have to replace it. Good. Very good, children. Superb. Yes. And let's move on to the next slide. So we is used when you're talking about yourself. So we is used when you're talking about yourself along with others. Right? So give some examples for that. For we. Whiteboard. Okay, Sailesh. Now we move on to we. Give some examples for that. We. So we is used when you're talking about yourself along with others. For example, my friends and I. My friends and I went to the zoo. My friends and I. So which includes myself and my friends, right? We are friends. Very good. We are princess. Wow. Which includes all the girls and the Vaishnavisai, right? My brother and I. Means which includes yourself and your brother. Superb, children. My sister and I. My family and I. So which include yourself. So that is we. Superb, children. So instead of my sister and I, we can use we. We played yesterday. Right, children? Okay. Superb, children. Yes. So now move on to they. They is used when you're talking about other people, other animals or things. Right? So what do you see on the screen? What the children are doing, children? What the children are doing? Yes? They are playing. Are you included in that? Are you included in that if you're saying they are playing? No, yes, you're not included in that, right? So when you're talking about other people, other animals, on other things, and is it singular or plural? Only one child is playing or more than one child or playing? Yes? My babies and me. Okay, so plural. So plural noun you have to use they. Right, children? Okay, super, children. Yes. And next, I. So I is used when you're talking about yourself. For example, my name is Nachi. I'm teaching English to my children. Yes. So if you're talking about yourself, you have to use I. Right? Can you give some example, children? Tell me about yourself. Tell me about yourself. I am Mithun. Good. Tell me about yourself, children. I am studying second standard. Good, Vishnavi. So, which pronoun you are using for yourself? If you're talking about yourself, which pronoun you are using? I. Very good. Okay. Superb, children. Yes. So you is used when you're talking to someone in front of us. It may be a singular or plural noun, right? I am Aryan. Good. So if you're talking about yourself, yes, very good. I am 6 years old. Ojashvi. Good. Okay, children. Yes, superb. So you may be a singular or pronoun. You are all smart children. If I'm pointing someone, you are a smart boy. I can also say you're all smart children. Yes? Okay. So now, are you clear in this, children? Are you clear? So when you have to use he, she, it, they. Yes? Are you clear in this? Okay. Now it's an activity time. Are you all ready with the paper? Are you all ready with the paper? Ma'am has posted on message in your groups, isn't it? You are to ready with the paper, written he, she, it, and they. Are you ready with that? Yes? We are going to do an activity now? Yes. Okay. Over to Vishnu Priya ma'am.
Thank you, Nachi ma'am.
Thank
Jai
you. Ma'am.
Gurudev. Happy morning. Yes. Now it is activity time. Are you all ready with your paper and clip? Yes, super. Brinda, very good. See, I'm going to show you how you have to do the activity and you have to follow that, right? Yes. 1 minute.
I want all my children to unmute your video, turn on your video, and you should not unmute your audio. Okay? Just turn on your video alone.
Yes. So like this, you have to split it, right? You would have divided like this: he, she, it, they, we, right? And I have a clip with me now. Correct. See, we will show you an example. Chimam will give me a word and I will put it in the correct appropriate pronoun place. Are you all ready to see this? Yes?
I
Yes,
want all the children to unmute your video, children. Yes. Ram. Ram.
Ram. So children, see, ma'am has given me the noun as Ram. So Ram is name of a boy, right? So where I have to put the clip? I have to put the clip in the place of he. Yes? He. Okay, the next word.
Next word is children.
Children. So ma'am has given me the word children. Children is in the plural form, right? So child is singular, children is plural. So I have to use, what I have to use for plural form? When you're talking about others, I have to use they. Yes? So like this, we are going to give you words and you are going to place it in the correct pronoun. Are you all ready, children? I'm going to click pictures of your activity. So do it well. Yes? Okay, unmute your video, but please mute your audio. Yes, ma'am, we will start.
Yes, ma'am. So can you see the videos, ma'am? Okay. Are you all ready? Superb. So I'm going to say Priya. Priya.
Only Brinda, I can see. Others, children, kindly unmute your...
Where is your paper? Patmish. Aryan. Have you all written? He, she, it, they, we in your paper? I want you all to take a paper and you have to write he, she like Vishnu Priya ma'am. See? See how Vishnu Priya ma'am has written on her paper? What about others? Can you see them,
Yes,
ma'am?
Brinda. I can see Brinda showing like a flashcards. Yes, Brinda, that is also fine. So now, ma'am has given the word Priya. So what you have to write instead of Priya, children? What is a pronoun you have to use instead of Priya? Show me that word.
Instead of Priya.
No one is unmuting, ma'am. Can you see the videos?
No, ma'am.
Yes,
What
Kritik.
children?
Kritik is showing.
English. It's very simple, right? Just you take a paper and write that.
Yes, Kritik. Kritik has given the correct answer. Yes, superb. She. Very nice.
Very
She.
good.
Others, please show me your answers. See, it is a fun activity. I want all my children to take part in this.
So
Yes.
ma'am has said okay. Next I'll say pen. Pen. Pen.
Pen. Yes, children, pen. Pen is name of a
Very good,
thing,
Tanchika.
right? And it is singular. You have to see it is singular or plural. Yes, pen is singular and it is name of a thing. So where you have to place the clip? You have to place the clip in the place of it.
Very good,
Yes?
children. Yes. Next I'll say my sisters and I. My sister and I.
Yes, children, my sister and I. So you're including yourself also. So what you have to write? Instead of my sister and I, where you have to place it? Ma'am, can you see them?
No, ma'am. You are also included. Tanchika? No, it's not they. Yes, it's we. Okay, you are included in that, right? So my sister and I, right? So you have to use we. Okay, children? Yes. And next, Ram and Krish. Ram and Krish.
Yes, Ram and Krish. Here you are not included. You're talking about the other two people. Right? Ram and Krish. The other people. What do you have to write? Yes, I'm getting an
Ram
answers in the
and
chat.
Krish.
So where you have to place it, children? Very good. Yes, I can see your videos. Show me it clearly, Mithun. Show me it clearly. I can see your faces, children, but I can't see your papers. Yes. So where you have to put? They, right? Very good. Superb.
Yes. Shall we continue with the workbook exercise, ma'am?
Yes, Nachi ma'am, shall we move on to the workbook exercise?
Yes, ma'am. Superb, children. Well done. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children, you all did it very well. Very well. Big round of applause to you all. Superb. So you can ask your parents to give you words. And you can play this activity at home also. Yes? Will you all do that? Okay, superb, children. Very nice. Now we will move to the workbook exercises. Okay. So it is in your English workbook, page number 24. 24 in your English workbook, and we're gonna see the first exercise. Very, very easy one, very simple. See, match the word or group of words on the left with their pronouns on the right. Yes, in column 1, nouns are given. In column 2, pronouns are given. So you're going to match it correctly. Are you all ready? Yes. See the first one. Pooja and I. So where you will match this, children? Pooja and I. Yes, Devashnavi Sai. Superb. We. Yes? Nachi ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
See, ma'am is annotating for you. Like this, you have to write the answer. Okay. So Pooja and I, you have included yourself also. So you have to say we. Very good. See the second one, Jimmy. Here, Jimmy is the name of a boy. Yes? So what is the pronoun you use for a name of a boy? I want answer from everybody. Yes, he. Very good, Nandika. Superb. He. Very good, children. See the third one. Aarti. Aarti is the name of a girl. So what is the pronoun you use for a girl's name? Yes? She. Very nice. Very nice. Avanishwar, Geeta, Meenakshi. Superb. Very nice. She. Okay, children. See the fourth one. Rabbit. So rabbit is a name of an animal, right? So what is the pronoun you will use? It. It. Very good. See page number 24, children. Page number 24 in your English workbook. Okay. See the last one. Kadir and Mohan. Kadir and Mohan. So you are talking about other people, right? So you are not including yourself. So you have to say they. They. Yes? Very easy, right? Yes, we'll quickly see the answer slide. See, right, like this, you have to write the answers in the column 2. Okay, Pooja and I. The answer is we. Jimmy, he. Aarti, she. Rabbit, it. Kadir and Mohan, they. Yes, very easy, no? Superb, children. Now we'll see the second exercise in the same page number 24. Okay, second exercise is there will be a underlined word, underlined noun. You're going to change it into a pronoun. Yes, see the question here. Veena goes for her dance classes every day. Veena goes for her dance classes every day. So what is the underlined word here? Veena. Veena is name of a girl. So how you will write the answer? You have to rewrite the sentence also, which means you have to write the full sentence in the answer. Okay. See the answer. She. So Veena you will change into she. She goes for her dance classes every day. So how you will write the sentence? The first letter should be in capital letter. Yes. C for she. S is in capital letter. And at the end, you have to keep a full stop. This is very mandatory. It's very, very important. Yes. Superb, children. We'll see the second question now. The second question is Raman and Mona are riding bicycles. So again, you're talking about other two people, right? So you will, how you will change the answer? You will change as they or we. We means if you include yourself only, you have to say we. Okay, here you're not included, right? You're talking about other two people. So you have to say they. They are riding bicycles. Yes? Superb, children. See the third question now. The third question is
Yes, Vishnu ma'am.
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Geeta and I are best friends. Yes, ma'am. I have some signal issue here. Geeta and I are best friends. Yes. So Geeta and I. So you have included yourself also. So what you have to write? The answer is we are best friends. We are best friends. Yes. Okay. Now the next one. Yes, the fourth question is the bird is sitting on the branch. Yes, so for bird also you will use it, isn't it? For animal, for bird, for thing, all these things you will use it, right? So how we will change the answer? We'll change it as it is sitting on the branch. Yes. So like this, you have to write the answer, children. You have to write the full sentence. Remember, the first letter should be in capital and the end, there should be a full stop. Okay. So far you have learned pronouns and 2 workbook exercises, which is in your English workbook, page number 24. So finish this as a homework. You do and then refer the answers from the website. Okay, it is very easy, right? You can do it by yourself. Yes, children. Super. Very nice. Now we'll move to the LSRW. Over to Nachi ma'am.
Yes. So I'm going to call Hajesh Barish, Ritik and Manish of 2D to unmute your video and you are going to show your classwork note. Yes? Hajesh Barish, Ritik and Manish of 2D. Hajesh, Ritik
Children,
and
will we
Manish.
unmute?
Can you see the ma'am?
No, ma'am.
Ritik,
2D
Manish.
children, 2D.
Ritik is
Show
there.
your English classwork. Hajish, you have asked for, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Hajesh Barish.
Yes, Hajishwarish is showing. And I
Okay.
wanted to see your 4th lesson. Lesson 4. Yes. Yes, Hajish. You can turn the pages. Okay. Yes, Hajish. I can see your notebook. Very good. Very nice. Superb. Next, Kritik.
Yes.
Kritik is showing, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Turn the pages quickly.
Thank you.
Okay, superb. Next
Yes.
child, ma'am.
Next, Krishiv, Lingesh, and Mohammed Sayan of 2E. Krishiv, Lingesh, Mohammed Sayan.
Yes, ma'am. What?
You have to show your classwork, English classwork note, dear. Are they showing, ma'am?
I'm checking, ma'am. 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
No, Mokshita is only showing, ma'am.
What will show, ma'am?
You have to show your classwork note, dear, English classwork.
English classwork, lesson 4 classwork notes. Two E children, have you completed or not? If you have not completed, please tell us. No problem. We'll give you time.
Okay, ma'am, let me. Yes, the next child is, ma'am, Jaganvel, Kavicharan, and Ritik Bala of 2F. Jaganvel, Kavicharan, and Ritik Bala.
Yes, Jagan Vail is showing his classwork, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Kavicharan, Ritik Bala.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Kavicharan of 2F and Ritik Bala. Krishu, you have to show. Okay, dear.
Yes, ma'am. He's showing Krishiv of 2
Okay,
E.
okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
I'm Nikhil.
Children, others go on mute. Mute your audio. See, children, you marks are allotted for your classwork writing. So kindly finish your lesson 4 and lesson 5 classwork notes. Those who have not showed today, we will again ask you in the next session. So before that, please complete it. Okay. Ma'am, 2F, who are reminding?
Jaganvale showed Kavicharan and Ritik Bala. Kavicharan and Ritik Bala. Shayan, can you show your note? Ma'am, can you see him, ma'am?
No, ma'am. I can see only Lingesh of 2E.
Have you finished?
I finished fourth lesson, fifth lesson.
Okay, ma. Very good. Very good.
Shayan is showing, ma'am. Is he showing, ma'am? Shayan?
No, I can see Charan of 2F.
Bye, ma'am.
Charan of
Kavicharan is showing, okay.
Shamil, Jaganvale.
Krishiv, okay. Ritik Bala?
Yes, Raji ma'am, Shayan is there in
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you view him?
Vishnu, ma'am, can you see Shayan's notebook, ma'am?
Shreyan's. I'm checking, ma'am. 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am, I can see. Okay, Shayan. Can you turn the pages?
What name, ma'am? Shayan. Yes, yes.
Shamil Shayan. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I see him.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Jaganvale, Shayan. Yes, I can see classworks. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Kanna.
Yes.
Superb. Yes, children, those have completed your classwork. Very nice. Big round of applause to you. Very nice. You have written very neatly. Superb. I want all my children to complete the classwork notes. Kindly show your classwork notes in the next session. Yes?